Hi students, in the last session we discussed about conversion of active to passive voice. I also gave an assignment for you to be done at home. Only 14 of you have submitted. The names are Zaiba, Muskan Tajes, Tahirullah Beg, Seema Sadia, Nida Afrin, Amrin Taj, Faizan, Sabir, Wasiullah, Azhar Pasha, Kaif, Shagufta Noor, Muskan Khanam and Muhammad Saif. And what about other students who are not submitting the assignments? Aren't you really interested? This is the last warning for you people. If you don't do the assignment for the next time, I want entire class, total your strength to be submit the assignments. And whoever has done the assignments, for them appreciation. And for others, no appreciation. And the one who have submitted, they also committed small mistakes. And yeah, the one who has not done it will have to listen to this class again. See here, firstly you need to understand what is a subject and what is an object. You know, subject is nothing but a noun, or it can be a pronoun, or the one who is doing the action. And object is nothing but upon whom the action is being done. Here, firstly you should understand what is Ram. Ram is nothing but a noun. Since is a verb. In verb, you have to see whether the verb is in present tense or past tense. The word sing, S-I-N-G, sing. And the word sang and sung. These are the forms of verb. This is in past form, this is in past participle form. What about sings here? Just because Ram is third person singular. For that reason, we are using sings here. Just because if you are talking about singular third person, the verb must always contain yes form. Like she cooks, Ram sings, he dances, like that. The mistake that many of you have done is, I always told you, you have to use third form of verb, that is past participle, that is V3. And V3 is sung here. So the answer is Ram. You have to, rule number one is you have to apply, first change the subject and object, a song. Place is not enough there, let me raise it. So exchange a song. And how to use is or are. A song is a singular one, and sings is in present tense, that is present form. A song is sings third form, sung by Ram. Any doubt there? Yes, you can see that. He holds a hoe. And this is subject. Opens is the verb. The door is an object. Okay? So firstly, what rule do you have to apply? The rule is that interchange subject and object. I will write the door here. Sita, I will write it here. The second rule is we always have to use by before the subject in the passive voice. By. Now, because here I have written yes, it is just because Sita is third person singular. If Sita is third person singular, then verb always carries yes along with that. Sita opens the door, and opens is in present form, not in past. Here I have not given opened, O-P-E-N-E-D. I have not given that one here. Here I have just given the door. Sita opens the door. The answer is the door is. Just because opens is in present tense and the door is singular. The door is opened. V3 form of open is opened. In the same way, my mother cooks food. Here I am sorry if given well in the question while I was typing the question. It is actually food. My mother cooks food. The answer is interchange food because cooks is verb, food is object, my mother is subject. Firstly, food and here goes my mother. Okay? I've written there my mother. Before my mother, we always have to add by. And cooks, again see, I have given there cooks C-O-O-K-S because my mother is third person singular. My mother cooks food. Food is cooked by my mother. Look at this example. I cook food. See, I here is first person, not second or third person. I in the sense that is first person. I becomes, the pronoun also changes according to the rule. So, food, write it here, I becomes me. But see, I have given just cook here, not cooks. I haven't given here cooks. Because when we are talking about first person and second person, the verb cook or any verb does not carry yes. I cook food, food is, because food is singular, is cooked by me. Look at this example. They bring boxes. They bring boxes. Here, they is plural one. The object, boxes is also plural one. Bring is a verb and the word bring is in present tense. I have not given there brought. I have just given there bring. Look at here. B-R-I-N-G. Bring. I have given there as bring. And they is a subject and boxes are object. Firstly, we have to interchange the position of subject and object. Boxes. They becomes what? Them. Always have to use by before that one. Now, boxes are plural, not singular. You can't write here is. It is wrong. When we are using be form, that is, you can see there, is, are, and, was, were. This is, are and is used for present tense, and was and were is always used for past tense. Okay? Is, are and is used for singular, are is used for plural one, and is used for first person singular. Was is used for first, second or third person past form. Were is always used for plural form. Okay? Is this clear? This is and or are is used for present tense. Remember, these are be forms bolte हैं. ठीक है? So boxes is, it doesn't suit there. ठीक है? But bring is in present tense. You are not supposed to use were or was there. Bring, the verb bring is in present tense. Boxes are plural. Hence we have to use it are. Boxes are bring, B-R-O-U-G-H-T, bought by them. There is a difference between B-R-I-N-G, bring, B-U-I, buy, bring, brought, bringing. But for buy, it's bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, it's bought. Okay? See here, I have used there A-R-E-R, but look at here. The food is cooked by my mother. I have just given there ISEs because the word food is in singular form. Or Sita, look at here, the door is only one. The door is opened by me. I have not written R. If there are doors, like Sita opens the doors means the doors are opened by Sita. यहाँ पर doors होता है, यहाँ पर ये are, ठीक है? You have to look at the object also there. Boxes are brought by them. But look at here, Rita into skydiving. What is the third form of do? It is not do itself. Firstly, skydiving by Rita. You just have to use be done. Skydiving can be done by Rita. Next, see, it is sister, S-I-S-S-T-E-R. My sister grows vegetables. Again, vegetables are plural one here. So, what do you have to write it? What do you have to write it? Vegetables are grown. G-R-O-W, grow. G-R-E-W, grew. G-R-O-W-N, grown. The third form of grow is grew, grown. These are irregular verbs. Grown by my sister. He drives a car. A car is driven by him. Okay, let me write it. A car is driven by him. I eat pizza. Pizza is eaten by me. Now have you understood why have I written is and why have I written are? Because the object, that is the object of the active voice and the subject of the passive voice. See here, this object is in plural form, but I have written are here because grows is in present form. You have to look both verb as well as the object. If the object is plural, you always write are or were based on the verb is in present tense or past tense. अगर सब verb past tense में है को बोले तो आपको verb लिखते हैं कब जब object plural होता है, ठीक है? This is for present tense. These are three examples that you had to remember, ठीक है? Now look at here, opens and grows. Okay, I will raise this one. See here, open, grow. What is the second form? Opened, opened. This is grew. This is grown. This which has a different past and different past participle, it is nothing but irregular verbs. Irregular verbs, and this is regular verb. Regular verb in the sense for the main, that is for the base form, we just added ed for it, okay? And for irregular verbs, it changes. For example, like sit, sat, sitting, or bring, brought, bringing. We are not adding ed. Bringed, it's wrong. Growed, it's wrong. It's grieve or grown. Okay? If you have any doubt, you can just contact me through WhatsApp. And one more time I am telling for you people, if I don't receive all the assignments from you, I'll screw your happiness. And for the students who have written, very good children, keep it up, study hard. Thank you.